team of scientists compressed this sound emitting from the sun to make it audible to the human ear. What happened next shocked everyone. Sound has been a fascinating phenomena for humans since the beginning of our existence. Combining certain sound frequencies becomes a beautiful melody, while combing sound becomes noise. Have you ever wondered what is the sound of the universe or the sound of the sun? A team of scientists compressed this sound emitting from the sun to make it audible to the human ear. A human ear can only perceive sound between 20 and 20,000 hertz. Scientists made it possible. What happened next shocked everyone. They were amazed to realize that this was the same sound Om which people in India have been reciting for several thousands of years. Isn't that unbelievable? Another fascinating fact about this unique sound Om is that it is a combination of three sounds O, and M, which do not require the use of tongue for chanting. Now you will wonder how this is going to be relevant to us humans. The West has now realized that India is a land of perfect combination of science and spirituality. We have been taught for thousands of years to align ourselves with the universe for a healthy mind and a healthy body. Let us see what this sound of the universe does to us. Daily recitation of Om while concentrating on each of the 7 chakras starting from Muladhara to end in Sahasrara is called Shadachakra Bhedan. This process of Shadachakra Bhedan has nothing to do with any religion, but it is a scientific process of enhancing the energy drawing mechanism and healing properties in the human system. The benefit of this process is at the level of mitochondria that are the storehouse of energy metabolism in your body cells. During this process, the function of the 7 chakras that represent the various body systems gets optimized in a very short time. Consequently, the mind is sharpened, our mind is cooled down, there is clarity of thinking, your memory improves, and there is extrasensory perception. The immune system gets boosted, the endothelial lining of the blood vessels gets protected, and the telomeres of the DNA are preserved. All these effects consequently delay the aging process and prevents chronic lifestyle disorders like high blood pressure, heart attack, diabetes, and cancer. In short, you can prevent many health hazards just by daily recitation of Om. Plenty of research has already taken place and is also in progress at various centers in India and abroad to scientifically establish and validate the tremendous benefits of Om recitation. My personal experience has been very positive and encouraging with the daily practice of Shadachakra Bhedan. I have been practicing it for the last several years, especially during the highly stressful life as a cardiac surgeon. You too can experience for yourself with a few rounds of Shadachakra Bhedan and reap its benefit. Shadachakra Bhedan is a very easy process. You just need the commitment to practice it daily. I will do a video very soon to show you how to do it properly. Keep watching this space. Keep your heart beating. Until next time, goodbye and good day.